こんにちは、節税会計士のタッキーです。本日
Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And then Gabby. I'm drinking shoju with soda. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how are you? How are you? I'm drinking shoju with soda. Shoju with soda. And also lemon. Yeah, please prepare your drink. Yeah, if you have your drink, please prepare whatever you like. Mm. Hello, hello. Hello. Please leave comment below. Please leave comment. And if you want to drink, please prepare your drink. Yeah, prepare your drink. Drink. This is mine. Shoju and soda and lemon. I do this. This is my favorite. So how's your day so far? How's your day? Yeah, please leave comments. Hello, hello. Hmm. I'll try to send. Oh, I know. Pop out chat participants. Oh, magandang gabi, Kid Official. Magandang gabi. How are you? How's your day today? My day was so busy. Um, I went to the Philippines recently and I took a lot of videos, so I need to edit that. That makes me really busy. Oh, you're fine. Great, great, great. I'm drinking the shoju now. Shoju, soda water, and then lemon. This is my favorite. Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you very much. So, what content specifically interested you? Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I I think I've started this channel last December, so 5 months ago. So yeah, this channel is also new. Reaction videos. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, that's also my favorite reaction video. Yeah, I love to watch Philippines content. Mm. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know you are maybe Filipino. Oh, wait a moment. Um, um, as so this live is wait. I will show you my picture. Where is it? This is my favorite picture. I took this in Robinson, Manila. 気をつけてください, Japan. Oh, Julius, so this failed. Thank you for comment, Jairus. Yes, I'll take care and be safe always. So, Julius, how was your day so far? And I love. Oh yes, yes, Robinson Mall. I I really love this mall. Oh, Juris, your day is good. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, I don't know why, but I really love Robinson Mall, and I I usually eat street food like this. Um, do you know in Malate there is a mini stop, and street vendor is selling barbecue in front of mini stop, and then I buy a bottle of something light and then eat along with them. That's so nice. Yes, yes, yes. I really love street foods. Yes. Um, I think especially I just memorized that name, Isao. I love Isao. Oh, hello, Clark, Jem, Bilamar, Magandang Gabi. Good evening. I'm currently drinking Japanese shochu with soda water and then lemon. So if you are at home, please prepare your drink. I saw the chicken intestine. Yeah, it sells the chicken intestine. Yes, right. But I really love that. Um, in Japan, we have a similar one. Yeah, it's cheap and so delicious, but we cannot eat that in Japan. S- mm, they don't sell chicken's intestine. Instead, they sell chicken's uterus and farampino tube. And taste is similar, but I never saw Isao chicken's intestine in Japan, so only I can eat that in the Philippines. And this is what I took recently. This is also in front of Robinson Manila. Yeah, this is my favorite picture. I think I can use my iPad to show you my pictures. Yes. The view is so beautiful. Wait a moment. I will show you again. Oh, what's happened to my iPad? It is not working. Mm. Oh, how's Japan right now? Are they fully open for tourists? Not yet to fully open to tourists, but I heard on next month, so this coming June, government will to open for tourists. So they allow tourists to coming to Japan, and the prime minister said restrictions are as same as G7 countries. For example, vaccinated twice and within negative result in 48 within 48 hours you can enter to the Japan. I think like this, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen on June. No. Yeah, I just need to show this like this. I took this from Birch Tower. Do you know Birch Tower? It's uh in front of Robinson Manera. It's one of the tallest towers in Malate. It has 74 or 8 stories. And I stayed at 32 stories uh, at this time, I think. I didn't decide it, but I think for this time I do live until 8:30 in Japan's time zone. So uh, 7:30 in Philippines time zone. Um, I do live training. Um, I'll say on Tuesday mornings and Saturday mornings, but I'm just actually streaming my training, so it is not the compensation. So I want to set these kind of conversation moment. That's how to say that's also fun for me to interact with people living in the Philippines. Have you visited Baguio? Oh yes, yes, yes. I visit the Baguio city. Yes, I I love Baguio city. Baguio city is um, completely different from the other parts of the Philippines. um, for example, climate, of course, it's cold, and also structure of SM Baguio is so interesting. I never saw such kind of structure in Japan as well. So no aircon at all, right? And they made uh, how to say good for air to go through inside. So I feel that so air quality is high in SM Baguio City. And so when I was in Baguio City, I stayed at mm, Mega Tower. I think Mega Tower nearby SM Baguio City. I think it's Mega Tower, nearby church and nearby SM Baguio. So, are you kid official? Are you living in Baguio City? Ah, Quezon City. Ah, Quezon City, Metro Manila. You are living. I see. But I've been to Angeles City, Angeles Pampanga, uh, Subic Olongapo, um, Davao City, Samao Island, beside Davao City. Yeah, and also Cebu, Cebu City. And in Luzon, I love Subic. I like Subic. Actually, Subic doesn't have anything aside from beach, but people are so nice. So everybody is kind, and everybody, how say, everybody is not rushing. So that's why I think I love Subic. Mm. So um, I want to go back to Subic again. And yeah. I just remembered. So it has my favorite store I mean, favorite restaurant in Subic area. Wait, I will send you exactly location of that. Subic, something, something corner. Yeah, yeah, kid. Yeah. Please come to Japan. Yes. If I have the chance, I will throw you around. So probably you want to see famous places in Japan like Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka. But I'm I'm living in Okayama. Yeah, this one. Wow. Wait. Um. No. No. Not good. Where is the best place to visit? Ah, it's so difficult because I think it's depending on the season. So so you you never come to Japan. So I think I recommend you to come to Japan on April, beginning of April, the end of March until beginning of April. This is the sakura season. Um, so I think you already saw sakura, and wait, I so this my city is not super famous for sakura, but even that sakura is super beautiful in Japan. I think everywhere because it's national tree. So They put everywhere sakura along rows, and also uh, it has a different species. So sometimes they bloom early, and sometimes they bloom later. So it's depending on their species. Wait, April, Mars, April, Mars. Oh, wait. I want to send you this Google Maps link to you because I I really love, wow, really love this restaurant. Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's sakura is only not, yeah, not only in Japan. Yeah, I heard it has in Baguio City. Yeah, so but I don't know when they bloom in Baguio City. But the sakura is bloom when climate become cold to warm. So winter to spring. So when I when is that the situation occur in the Philippines? But I definitely recommend you to come to Japan on sakura season. Oh, oh, you didn't know that, but I heard. Yeah. Yeah, I I just remember that. So I was I'm from I originally from Kochi City, Kochi, Japan. Kochi prefecture, and oh, Mrs. Spelling, sorry. Um, and then Kochi prefecture. So my original prefecture, my hometown, donated sakura tree to Baguio City. I think it was 50 sakura trees, and they're still alive. So that's why I strongly felt strong connection between Baguio City to my hometown. Wait, I will search that. Baguio City Sakura. Wait, Baguio City and Sakura. Hmm. Baguio, Kochi Sakura. Oh, yeah. It says it was super long time ago. So Baguio, I mean Benguet to Kochi Prefecture made alliance on 1975. 1975. I was born 1976, so before I born. So it is really really long time ago. They made close relationship. I mean relationships. Lemon, shochu, Japanese shochu, soda water. So if you are at home, please prepare your drink, whatever you like. Uh, so this is written in Japanese, but I will send you a link of alliance between Kochi Prefecture to Baguio Benguet. Ah, oh, okay. You are walking. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for visiting my live. And see you again. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll put ice to my tumbler. Wait a moment. I will put the ice. Have a good evening. Yeah. Hello. Magandang gabi. Gabi. Magandang gabi. I will put the ice. Ice. Okay, I'm back. You should try the Japanese mukbang food while doing live. Mukbang. Uh, yeah. I will try that next time. But what kind of mukbang is that? What kind of mukbang is that? It's the end of golden years. Ah, yes. But I'm business owner, so I actually don't have like golden days off. I just go back to my hometown, Kochi Prefecture, and take care of my parents. That's all. But it was a really good moment for me because I want to take care of my parents. But yeah. I just remembered that's so important. So how's election going on? I'm fascinated to election. Yeah. I'm walking too much. Yes, I know. Yeah, and yeah, thank you very much. I love to take care of my parents. Oh, election is a little bit. Really? Are you sure? I learned Filipino. Election is a little bit, or a chaotic. Wow, really? Wow, chaotic. So how say you've already decided where to vote, right? Yeah. Tomorrow is your election. Yes. I know. That's why I'm asking. It's really important, right? Something exotic. Who is that? Where really, as a YouTuber, introduce. What? Ah, yeah, but it is difficult to introduce here in YouTube Live. But it has exotic food in Japan. So we eat baby fish alive. So put the vinegar on that baby fish and then eat that with alive. That's it's called odorigui. 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 Oh, stressful. Stressful. Yeah, a stressful election. Yeah, that odorigui. So eating baby fish alive is, of course, super fresh and so good. Yeah, but it's difficult to find where we can eat that alive baby fish because it's alive. It's difficult to catch that baby fish alive. Oh, hello po, hello po. I'm drinking the shochu, Japanese shochu, and soda water, and also lemon. Oh, odorigui is takai. Why do you know that? Why do you know odorigui is expensive? Kampa, yes. Kampa, cheers. Kampa, tagai, tagai, tagai. Yeah, of course, odorigui, eating baby fish fish alive is so expensive. Oh, you can make a content of content of odorigui. Yeah, but I need to search where I can eat odoligui. it's I think it's difficult for us to find place where where they serve alive baby fish. Uh, yeah. But I I I I bought the can uh, kanshi panton. It's noodle in Osaka. Osaka. So you were in Osaka before. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was there also. Yeah, their city. They're one of the biggest cities in Japan. So yeah, they have odorigui, of course. But it's of course it's expensive. But where you live in Osaka? You Oh yes, and in Kochiken too. Oh, you really know about Japan. Who are you? Yeah, okay. Kochi is famous for fish because Kochi is facing to Pacific Ocean, like General Santos in the Philippines. So we can catch something in my. Really? Are you sure about that? 30 years ago. 30 years ago. 30 years ago. Wow. If that is true, that's amazing. Ancient Japanese culture. 本当に、so, but what was your occupation? What was your job then? 本当, yeah, 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 yeah. I understand. Yeah, I trust you. Yes, you went to Japan 30 years ago. And singer. Sing as a singer. I see. You are singing in a band. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. So probably you are such a good singer, right? Mm. Because I know, I know Filipino are so good at singing songs. Uh, because I saw many live band in the Philippines, and that singers are so good. Yeah. Do you watch Seaboard Umitori? Oh, Japanese. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I watch anime, but I don't watch recent anime. I watch, you know, I'm already, I'm not, I don't say already, I'm 45 years old right now. So I watch anime, uh, I, I watch old anime, like, um, I think you are familiar with Dragon Ball, Draimon, Dunk. Yeah, those kind of. So I don't watch um that one, recent one. Kimetsu no Yaiba, Dragon, Demon Slayer in English. Godzilla, no. Godzilla. Yeah, I saw Godzilla, but I'm not really big fan of Godzilla. Yeah. Seabird, yeah. Yeah, please come to Japan. I tour you a land. Bioman, what? What's that? The Bioman. I don't know what Bioman is. Toki. What's that anime? Toki. Toki. But I I started basketball um, because of Slam Dunk. That anime influenced me a lot. Yeah. Voltus 5. Yeah. I know that because I made reaction video of Voltus 5. Yeah, but so I told you I'm 45 years old, but actually I don't know Voltus 5. So Voltus 5 is born more before than what I born. ちびまる子ちゃんYeah. So Chibi-Maruko-chan is I think my generation. Yeah. Chibi-Maruko-chan is my generation. Yes. Yeah. So Chibi-Maruko-chan, taste of Chibi-Maruko-chan is, yeah, good. It's not harmful for children. So I think it's good. uh, so after Chibi Maruko-chan, do you know Crayon Shinchan? I was there when Chibi Maruko-chan was so famous. Oh, yeah. So 30 years ago. So I think it was 30 years ago. Chibi Maruko-chan was famous. So I'm 45, so 30 years minus, so 15 years old. Shinja's yeah. Yeah, of course, Shinchan is, yeah, so good, so funny. But when your kids do the same, how do you feel? But actually, it's so funny. I know. But what about Japanese singer at that time? Yeah, yeah, I can recall my memory at that time. Until now, I watch them. Until now, Crayon Shinchan. Yeah. Shinchan is good. Yes. I know. 安全地帯を Oh, that's yes. I think 正午浜だ. Yeah. So he is on the famous drawing summer. Yeah. They're yes. Of course, they're so famous. Yes. Ah, Seiko Matsuda. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So she is one of the legend idol in Japan. Uh, so when she was super famous, uh, I was so young at that time, so I don't know why is so famous, but yes, she is. She made the movement. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Idols. Yes, 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 yes. And she is, I think, the first one became super iconic person. Mm. Yes, yes, yes. She's so cute. Yes, yes, yes. I understand. Yes. Ah, we're the same age. We're the same age. 40, 45th. I see, I see, I see. 40, 45th. Oh, you are 58 now? So you mean you are the same age as Seiko Matsuda? Because I'm 45 right now. Oh, I see, I see. I got it. I got it. But can you still I mean, do you still sing a song in a mother? Yeah, yeah. But my mother is more higher than, more older than your age, because my mother is already, I think, 75 or like that, 75 or 70 something. I can still sing some of. Yeah. What do you sing? Japanese songs. Oh, I see. May I know what kind of song do you sing? Kurushi uta, kurushi uta. What's that mean? Kurushi uta. So high note? Is that what you mean? Well, lyric is, how say, lyric is something kurushi. I mean, safu song. Suffocated? Love songs. Love songs. Yeah. Love song is basically sad song. Yeah. How say, someone broke up with their partner, and then um, expressing their feeling and emotion. So that's typical love song. Yeah. That's why. But I love your songs. Your songs. My song? So emotional. What kind of song is that? So emotional. I but Cal- Calentry, I love. Oh, yeah, I saw Morissette today, and that song was so good. Japanese song. Wait. I will show you what song I. No, not this song. Wish 107. No.
Either way,
Oh, this one. Wait. Wait. How can I? Yeah. Listen. Yeah. I love that. Aki kanala. Aki kanala. I love that song, but not that one. So, singing a song was he. This one is so good because I I thought he I actually don't know him, but even that combination, their how say voice tone with voice set is so good. So that's why I I thought this is currently one of the best for me. Yeah, she's so good. Yes. She's so good. She's so good. Yes, I know. And also Gigi de Lana. Gigi. Gigi. I love Gigi. Never enough. Never enough. Yeah. Never enough is also good. Yes. Gigi is so pretty. Yes. I know. Oh, do you know Bibari? She's a Filipino singer in Japan. She sang for Fruits Basket and Carmen Road. Whoa, really? May I know the link of that? I want to know that because I I already know Filipinos are so good at singing songs. It has really beautiful voice. So what I mentioned, Gigi De Lana, Morissette, and also um, the that one. She's not young as Gigi De Lana or Morissette, but uh, she was singing uh, Katerina Balada. Wait, wait, Katerina. Okay, Katerina. Lani Misa Lucha. Ah, wait, wait, wait. Ah, oh, so she is Katerina Belladue and Lani Misa. I think what I'm mentioning is Lani. Yeah, Lani. Yeah, she is. Yes. Yeah, she's, super famous singer in the world. I know her. Yeah. Yes. Two of her. Yeah. Okay. So, um, right. Two of Nevery James songs. Beavery. Uh, but Beverly is not Katerina Belade, right? It's not her, right? They're different singers. Yeah. I think so. Oh, but anyway, um, I I was expecting. Oh, I heard car Torino. Oh yeah, I was expecting to do video live for 30 minutes, but unfortunately I did almost 73 minutes. Any suggestion for any famous singer and their songs there in Japan? In Japan, wait. Um. So, which do you prefer, male or female? Female. Okay, wait a moment. Female. Mm, female. uh, when it comes to female, she's the best singer for foreigners. She speaks English very well, and she's already well known in the Philippines. Yeah, Yanez Galzote. Yes, nice talking to you. Yes, thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, yeah, Hikaru-san. Yes, 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 yes. Hikaru Utada is really famous, and she's a good singer, actually. Mm, okay, okay, okay. I will end this live streaming for today. Thanks for coming to my channel, and oh yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. And I will do this again, and I will notify you next time also. Thank you for coming this live streaming. See you next time. Bye bye.